Wow, look at this homemade egg wraps. They are so easy to make. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. You only need a soft dough. I used 1 cup of whole wheat, 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use butter, half teaspoon of salt, and some warm water. Just knead your dough until soft. Cover with kitchen cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I came back. I checked my dough, cut into small pieces, and start rolling. Roll and put it in a cooking pan and cook until light brown. Repeat until the last tortilla. And that's it. Just look at that. They are so nice, so soft. You can flip and they cannot break. They are so good. Now, let's make our salad. We have the cabbage, carrot, onion, and some coriander if you have. This time I had no coriander leaves. And some avocado, and squeeze some lemon, and some black pepper and salt. Very healthy cabbage salad. I've also made this salad on my short last time. You can go and check it. So good. Now let's make the egg. You just want to make soft and fluffy eggs. Here I wanted to make some scrambled eggs. It's like I don't know how to make them, but on the comment below, how do you make scrambled eggs? I've never made scrambled egg before. Don't laugh at me. Now let's assemble our wraps. First we put the eggs, then the salad. Start with the cabbage and the carrots and finish with the avocado, and then roll and wrap well. Here I realized that my tortilla are very small, but I managed to fold them and they turned out so good. Just look at this. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe for healthy and simple recipes. Wow, see you on the next one.